In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Bolt.new tools to WordPress. By the end, you'll take a live tool from Bolt.new and embed it on your WordPress site using a simple custom HTML block. No extra plugins required. First, open your Bolt.new project in your browser. Make sure the version you want to share is ready. When it looks good, click Publish. If you see a confirmation or a second Publish button, go ahead and confirm. Give it a moment to build and deploy. You'll know it's ready when Bolt.new provides a live link. Copy that link. It's the public URL for your tool. Before moving on, paste it into a new tab to confirm it loads correctly and uses HTTPS. If it doesn't load, wait a few seconds and refresh. Next, you'll prepare a tiny bit of embed code. You'll use a basic HTML snippet that references your Bolt.new URL, typically an iframe. Wherever the placeholder appears, replace it with the link you just copied. If you're unsure about sizing, a safe starting point is full width with a comfortable height, so the entire tool is visible without awkward scroll bars. You can always adjust the height later after previewing it on your site. Now switch to WordPress. Open the editor for the page or template where you want the tool to appear. Place your cursor where the embed should go, then click Add to insert a new block. Search for and select the custom HTML block. In the editor that appears, paste your HTML code, making sure the placeholder has been swapped with your exact Bolt.new link. Double check for stray spaces or missing characters in the URL. Small typos can break the embed. Use the preview option in the block or the page preview to see how it looks. If the content feels cramped, increase the height value in your snippet. If it spills too wide, ensure the width is set to 100% so it responds to your theme's layout. On some setups, you may need to view the front end of the page to see the tool interact properly. When you're happy with the placement and size, click Update or Publish in WordPress to save your changes. Visit the live page, do a hard refresh, and test the tool. Check it on mobile as well to confirm it resizes nicely. If the embed doesn't appear, verify the Bolt.new project is published, the URL is correct, and that you use the custom HTML block. Some hosts restrict iframes. If that's the case, contact your site admin for guidance. That's it. Your Bolt.new tool is now live on WordPress.